Hey guys, in this tutorial I'll show you how to build a server in DarkComet version 5.4, which is known as the DarkComet viewer. So let's open out DarkComet viewer first, and as you can see I have no users, nothing, and I'll need the DarkComet server builder, which is an awesome tool that will help you to build your servers. So once you open up, you'll see this DarkComet 4.5 4.5 server builder. Here you put your IP, your real IP, not a local host, or just put a no IP address. Anyway, I'll just put up the local host since I'm just going to test the server on my own computer, so no need for my real IP. And for port, I'll just leave this 1604, and the password, you can just ignore this. You can set a password. It's all up to you. And in my case, I'll choose a password 123456 and check this to see whether it's correct or not. So just let it visible 123456, and the most important thing is that the same password must be set here. Go to DarkComet file, client settings, and go here and set the same password 123456. Close this. I'll just go into let this open and back to our builder, and here the installation directory, which is you can choose between temporary directory or application data. And by the way, if you don't understand anything in those, you can just click here. For example, if you don't get what's this, just click on here and you get a message. Enter the IP or DNS of the computer that will control the server. Same here. Choose where the server will be installed and that stuff, you know. I think it's all easy. Anyone can use this builder. And let's continue building. Here, you can choose to start the server immediately, but note that the server will be visible. And yeah, I'll let it check it. Here, add to start if you want your server to start with the Windows startup. If we click here, help, and you can read that the server will start with Windows startup. Anyway, I won't choose this. Here you can set the icon of your server, which is awesome. So I'll browse an icon here and go to icons. I'll pick up let's see, yeah, so I'll pick up this. And another thing, which is you can set a message box to your server, like when the user double click the server, a message box will shows up. So I'll just enable it, and you can choose here different kind of message. But first, let us say I'll write for example, server install it. Yeah, and you click here test to see how it looks to the user. Server install it. As I said, here's different kind of message. Critical if you want to scare your user, like server install or something like that. The warning, and I'll just gonna choose information. I'll just imagine that I'm giving this to my friend or something. I don't want to scare him. Anyway, so I think that's all. And now we click on build, and we choose where you want to save your server. For example, I choose the desktop, and I name it www, just a test. Save, and see here. See here my server, build it with the icon. I've choose it, and that's all. As you can read here, server build it successfully, and you just close the builder. That's all what it did. You can use it many times. And don't forget one more thing, which is the port. We choose it. We need to listen to it here. Yeah, here. So I'm already listening to it. The port 1604. So make sure you're listening to your port. Choose it. If you choose it, if not, just right click here, add port to listen, and add the port you've choose. Anyway, um, so no client has connected since I haven't activated, and once the user double click that, it is the message which we've chose, and it says server unstarted. That's what I wrote it there. Click OK, and as you can see, it shows up because we check it on the builder. You can just here, and as you can see here, here is the client, the user arrived here. We can control it as we want. As you know, that it's not really for hacking purpose or something, and it's just, you know, if you got a friend, you want to help it with his computer or something, you just give him that server, want to double click it, and you just control his computer and help him purpose, not hacking purpose. And if you're actually upset about that, there is a tricky way that you can use to, I don't know, grab victims, for example. So open up again builder and just do the same thing, but here, and check this start server immediately and check to start. Now, once the user or the victim will double click the server, nothing will happen. But when he restart his computer, the server will start hiding, and but the problem is that he will get a pop-up info here, a bolt tip info saying that the server is running. But if the victim is stupid enough, I think that will get him. Anyway, you can try to do that, but as I said, this version is just for help purpose and that stuff. I think the previous version of DarkComet, it's good for hacking stuff, that stuff. But the DarkComet builder, it's really it made my life easier. You know, just the user actually can use it easily. You're not going to, there's no installation recommended or something. He just double click that and all is set. You're connected with, you're controlling his computer smoothly, and that's all. Thanks guys for watching this video, and the download link of the DarkComet server builder, it's on the description. Please enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe for more DarkComet videos and hacking videos and other tutorials. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks.